Hey smart home enthusiasts, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic many of you have asked for, Zowill door lock programming instructions. If you've just installed a new Zowill smart lock, or you're looking to update your existing codes, you're in the right place. We'll walk through everything you need to know, step by step, to get your Zowill door lock programmed perfectly, ensuring top-notch home security. So, let's unlock the secrets to easy Zowill lock setup. Section 1. What you need before you start Zowill programming. Before we jump into the programming steps, let's make sure you have everything ready. You'll need your Zowill door lock, obviously, the administrator code. This is typically the default code that came with your lock, or the first code you set up. If you don't have it, we'll quickly touch on how to reset later. New user codes. Have a few numbers in mind for your family or guests. Fresh batteries. Always a good idea to start with new batteries for any programming session. Your Zowill user manual. While this guide will cover everything, having the physical manual on hand can sometimes be helpful for specific models. Section 2. Step-by-step Zowill. Door lock programming instructions. Adding a user code. Alright, let's get to the core of it. Adding a new user code to your Zowill door lock. Follow these Zowill door lock programming instructions carefully. Wake up the keypad. Touch the keypad to illuminate it. Enter your administrator code. Input your 6 to 8-digit administrator code, followed by the troubleshoot key. Enter programming mode. Once the admin code is accepted, you should hear a beep, and the lock might indicate it's in programming mode, e.g. a green light flashes. Press 1 to add user code. On the keypad, press 1. This tells the lock you want to add a new user code. Input new user code. Enter your desired 6 to 8-digit new user code. This should be unique and easy for the user to remember, but hard for others to guess. Confirm new user code. Press the ABDATIS key to confirm the new code. Re-enter new user code for verification. The lock will typically prompt you to enter the new code again for verification. Input the same new code and press EFDOOS. Confirmation. You should hear a confirmation beep or see a green light indicating the code has been successfully added. If you hear an error sound or see a red light, repeat the steps carefully. Section 3. Removing a Zowill user code. What if someone moves out or you no longer want a specific code active? Removing a Zowill user code is just as straightforward. Wake up the keypad. Touch the keypad. Enter administrator code. Input your admin code, followed by MIHEDELAS. Enter programming mode. Wait for the confirmation, beep, light. Press 2 to delete user code. On the keypad, press 2. Input user code to delete. Enter the specific user code you wish to remove. Confirm deletion, press the bot key. Confirmation. You'll receive a confirmation sound or light indicating the code has been successfully deleted. Test it out to make sure. Section 4. Changing the administrator code on your Zowill lock. The administrator code is your master key. It's crucial to change it from the default and update it periodically. Here's how to change your Zowill lock admin code. Wake up the keypad. Touch the keypad. Enter current administrator code. Input your current admin code, followed by BITILES. Enter programming mode. Wait for the confirmation. Press 0 to change admin code. On the keypad, press 0. Input. New administrator code. Enter your desired new 6 to 8-digit admin code. Confirm new administrator code. Press the ADAS key. Re-enter new administrator code for verification. Input the new admin code again and press ANBET. Confirmation. A successful beep or green light confirms your new administrator code is active. Write this down and keep it safe. Section 5. Troubleshooting common. Zowill programming issues and factory reset. Sometimes things don't go perfectly. Here are some quick troubleshooting tips for your Zowill door lock programming. No response. Check your batteries. Low power is a common culprit. Incorrect code, outer beeps. Make sure you're entering the administrator code correctly. Take your time. Lock not entering programming mode. Ensure you're following the sequence precisely. Some models have a specific button combination before the admin code. Factory reset. If all else fails, a factory reset will revert your Zowill lock to its original settings, deleting all user codes and the admin code. This is usually done by holding a reset button on the interior unit for 5 to 10 seconds after removing the battery cover. Consult your specific Zowill manual for the exact reset procedure. Remember, after a reset, you'll need to reprogram everything from scratch, starting with a new admin code. Special tips judge FAQ's battery life. Zowill locks typically last months on a set of good alkaline batteries. Replace them promptly when you get low battery warnings. Code security. Avoid using easily guessable codes like birthdays or sequential numbers. Regular testing. Periodically test your codes to ensure they are working correctly. Strong outro. And there you have it. Your complete guide to Zowill door lock programming instructions. We hope this video helps you confidently manage your smart lock and enhance your home security. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart home tips and reviews. Got any questions or running into a specific issue with your Zowill lock? Leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.